day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, July 7th, 2023. It is 10:16 and 19 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, chemical reactions. So let's hop to it here. Virtual exploration of chemical reactions, date July 3rd, 2023. Source, Hokkaido University. A new online platform to explore computationally calculated chemical reaction pathways has been released, allowing for in-depth understanding and design of chemical reactions. Advances in computational chemistry have proven a great boon in the field of reaction design, leading to the discovery of new reaction pathways for the synthesis of high-value compounds. As computational chemistry generates much data, and the process of organizing and visualizing this data is vital to be able to utilize it for future research. From a computational viewpoint, chemical reactions can be considered as extremely complex networks that consist of numerous molecular interactions. Many tools have been developed to calculate these networks, such as the FIR method that use at WPI, ICR-EDD. However, tools to explore these calculated networks are also needed, which led them to the current study. In broad strokes, all new raw data from AFIR calculations form a data lake. This data is then subjected to a pre-processing step, creating a data warehouse. As part of the data mart, accesses and retrieves data from the data warehouse and provides tools to visualize, analyze, and share the retrieved data. The pre-processing step is crucial. MyADA elaborates this new data from AFIR contains an immense amount of information from which the key data required, the scan platform, must be extracted. And this key data is sufficient to allow the creation of an interactive reaction pathway map, which can be searched and viewed. They have developed Scan with a user-friendly, graphic user interface. Users can search and explore the chemical reaction path network generated by the first principle calculation, AFIR. It will aid in achieving a detailed understanding of complex chemical reaction pathways. And this is a Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.